Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Making a U-turn is always a tricky maneuver, especially at busy intersections. Following the right-of-way is very important. Let's see how fast you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. You are about to make a U-turn. Who do you need to yield to? A. Only the truck. B. Only the passenger car. C. Both vehicles. It'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's get to it. So, let's break down the conditions of the problem. What do we see in the picture? You're driving a car on the main road, shown by the yellow diamond. You're about to make a U-turn. Your left turn signal is on. There's a truck on the right, which is also on the main road. This can be seen from the sign and the diagram. There's a car in front of us, which is on a secondary road and is moving forward according to its position on the road. The first thing we need to do is analyze the sign. The main road sign and the diagram below it show that. The main road goes from left to right diagonally. You and the truck are both on the main road, just from different directions. The car is on a secondary road. It must yield to everyone on the main road. It can be immediately excluded from the priority participants. You're turning around at the intersection, remaining on the main road. This is an unconventional but permitted maneuver. Who should you yield to? Car. On a secondary road. It must yield to everyone on the main road. You do not yield to it. Truck. Also on the main road. It is approaching from your right, and you're in equal conditions, both on the main road. According to the rules for driving through intersections, if both drivers are on the main road, but the directions of traffic intersect, the obstacle on the right rule applies. You must yield to the one on the right. So, the correct answer is A. Only to a truck. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.